This will be a speed test between the HTC U12 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845, both phones have 6 gigs of RAM, and both phones are running their latest version of Android Oreo respectively. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the S9 Plus. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both, so let's get started by tapping the messaging app. Give that to the U12. Camera. And about the same. Calculator on both phones. Pretty much even on that one. Start the clock on both phones. And not sure on that one. Maybe the S9 Plus? I don't know. Go replay the video. Go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store. Give this to the S9 Plus. Let's see, let's click on the same thing here. Click on Pokemon Go and leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. Give this to the U12. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. Baseball app, let's go. And very close, I think the U12 slightly ahead. Go slow the video down. NBA app, let's go. And give this to the U12 again. Chrome browser and the Samsung browser, let's go. Search for Amazon on both. And give this to the U12. Scroll on this, as you can see, nice and butter on both phones. Android browsers generally are very quick. Go to the full site of Amazon and give this to the U12. Progress bar just finished on the S9 Plus. Pinch to zoom, nice and butter on both. Leave it on this page. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Which one will come out on top? And call that one a tie. Tap to begin. And the S9 is actually faster when you start running the game. Leave that running in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Mumbai. Loading on both right now. And give this to the S9 Plus. Tap to play. Close it. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Lost Jungle. Both phones are loading. S9 Plus is ahead. And give this win to the S9 Plus. Go ahead and tap to play, close it out, do the same thing real quick on the U12. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. S9 Plus out in front. Will the U12 catch it? No, it does not. And give this win to the Samsung Knight. There you go. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Watching the progress bar on both, and looks like we may have a tie. No, U12 is ahead. And give the win to the HTC U12 Plus. CSR Racing 2. Second anniversary on this one. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus first. And give this win to the Samsung Knight again. There we go. IG on both. U12 Plus. And Snapchat. U12 Plus again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background so you can see. Now both phones have 6 gigs of RAM and I cleared something out. Which one was it? Looks like it was CSR Racing. We'll do both for fairness. Start with Instagram. There we go. CSR I erased, so we'll go to San Andreas. And not good on the S9 Plus. Angry Birds 2. There we go, ready to go on both. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Ready to resume on both phones. Super Mario Run. Ready to go. The browsing. Still on the same page. NBA app. Same place. Baseball. same place again, eBay, there you go, Play Store, still on Pokemon Go, clock on both, still running the stopwatch, calculator, same place, the camera on both phones, and maybe the S9 Plus a little bit quicker, and the messaging app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking the S9 and the S9 Plus? Or are you looking forward to the upcoming Galaxy Note 9? Or are you a fan of HTC phones? Like this HTC U12 Plus, HTC U11 from last year, HTC U Ultra, the poor use of space phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.